Did you know that Bengali cuisine is known for its rich and diverse flavors? From spicy curries to mouth-watering desserts, there is something for everyone. Today, we are going to discover a traditional Bengali delight, Nolen Gurer Payesh. Let's get started. To make Nolen Gurer Payesh, start by washing and soaking Govindobhog rice. Next, in a vessel, heat some ghee and fry cashews until they are golden brown. In the same vessel, add few raisins, fry them until they swell up and keep aside for later. Start by simmering milk in a vessel. Add aromatic spices like a couple of bay leaf and green cardamom seeds, infusing the milk with heavenly fragrance. Simmer on low heat for 20 minutes until the milk is significantly reduced. You can see the difference here as reduced milk coats the ladle evenly. Next, add washed and soaked rice to the simmering milk, allowing it to cook until soft and creamy. This will take you another 10 minutes on low heat. Once the rice is cooked to perfection, add in the fried cashews and raisins and boil them in the milk for a minute. They add a crunchy texture and burst of flavors, elevating the overall taste of the payesh. Take the vessel off the heat so that your payesh does not curdle due to the impurities in the gur. It's time to add the star ingredient, Nolen Gur. This golden jaggery gives the payesh a rich, sweet taste that is truly irresistible. Stir it well until the jaggery melts completely, blending harmoniously with the rice and spices. Finish it off with a dollop of ghee. As we wait for our payesh to cool down to room temperature, join me as we explore a bit of history. Around 4th century BC, Pundrabardhan, now Bogra in Bengal, had an artisan community known as Siulis, who would extract the sap of the date palm tree. This would then be sold in the weekly markets, and people came to love the quality so much that Pundrabardhan came to be known as Gur, which translates to Jaggery, a natural product of sugarcane. Documentation during this period have detailed the tedious nature of extracting the sap. These nomads would scale the thorny date palm trees at night to tap them and cut the flower cluster at the end. They would then hang a earthen container at the end of this branch to collect the sap. However, they had to be wary of the temperature and the timings, as the minute the climate would turn humid, wet or even rainy, the sap would begin to turn turbid, making it unfit to eat. Similarly, even slight exposure to the sun's heat would cause the sap to ferment and turn into an alcoholic form. The Siulis would have to abort the process. Through time, this community became synonymous with the Nolen Gur. So next time you're craving for a traditional Bengali dessert, give Nolen Gurer Payesh a try. Its unique flavors will transport you to the vibrant streets of Bengal right in the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching this video on Nolen Gurer Payesh. If you enjoyed learning about this traditional Bengali delight, remember to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and food inspirations. Happy cooking!